Hi guys, it's Daniella, and I'm back with remixing the basketball free throw game. So last time I think I finished the game, but I wanted to come back and add a scoreboard, so that's what I'm gonna do this time. Okay, so here's my game. So I want every time that I touch the basketball hoop, I want my score to go up. So okay, so I took out the game over from this overlap section right here, and I added the change score by one. So then I'm going to add destroy my sprite. Okay. So it's quite not right. Let me see what I did wrong. Okay, I think I figured out why. So I want to change this to projectile because I wanted to destroy the basketball every time it touches the hoop. Let me change this back to my sprite. Let's try. Okay, there we go. You need to add this because if the basketball keeps traveling over the hoop, it just keeps adding more and more points. Now, see, it just adds by one because before it was traveling over the hoop, so it was just adding multiple points to the score. Okay, guys, so that's basically it for today. Next week, I'm planning on adding enemies to the game to make it a little bit more challenging. So make sure you guys come back and watch that. So thank you guys.